Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M54 and today I'll show you how we can wipe cache partition on this phone. Now before we get started you will need to grab a cable, plug it into your computer and just have it ready. Next, on your phone hold power button and volume down at the same time, and from the boot options select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to plug in the cable and then start holding power button and volume up at the same time. In a moment you will see the Samsung logo show up, and then after a moment Galaxy under that, at which point you want to let go of the power button. Now once you have recovery mode open, you can unplug the cable, and then using volume buttons you want to scroll down and select wipe cache partition, confirm it using power button, select yes. And as you can see, cache wipe has been completed. Reboot system now will be selected by default at that point, so press power button once more to confirm that option and just wait for the device to boot back up into Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.